Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Telegram profile link and copy it so you can share it with friends, colleagues, or on your social media. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a unique, clickable link that brings people straight to your Telegram chat. It's quick and straightforward, but I'll guide you through every step so there's no confusion or missed details. Let's dive right in. The very first thing we need is a public username in Telegram. If you haven't set this up yet, don't worry, it's easy. Open the Telegram app on your phone and tap Settings. This is your central hub for making your profile your own. Look out for an option that says Edit if you're on an iPhone, or you might see 3 dots at the top right if you're using Android. Sometimes you'll just see a field labeled. These routes will get you where you need to go. Why is having a username so important here? Telegram only generates a shareable profile link for accounts that have a public username, so if you haven't chosen one, your profile won't be accessible via link. Now go ahead and tap that username field. Think of a username that's memorable but still unique, something like @JohnDoe if that's available. Telegram requires usernames to be completely unique across the platform, so don't be surprised if you need to get a bit creative. Once you've picked one, simply save your changes. Take a moment here to double-check your spelling. This is what people will type in or click to find you, so you want it to be just right. With your shiny new username in place, you've unlocked the ability to create a Telegram profile link. Here's the format. It's super straightforward and looks like this: /your username. For example, if your username is @JohnDoe, your profile link is /JohnDoe. That's it. This TME shortener is the official Telegram URL, and it makes sharing quick and easy. You can also use the full https://t/me/your username format if you're pasting it somewhere that needs the full URL, but for most purposes, the shorter version works perfectly. Now let's talk about copying and sharing this link. If you're on a computer, you can just type TME your username into any browser's address bar and then copy it directly from there. That way you can paste it anywhere, into an email, a WhatsApp chat, or even onto your web profile. But if you want to grab it directly from the Telegram mobile app, just hop back into your settings and tap on your username. Telegram's neat touch here is a little share sheet that pops up. You'll see options to copy link or to share the link directly through other apps like Messages, email, or even social networks. Choose Copy Link if you want to keep it handy for pasting wherever you need, or select an app if you're ready to share it instantly. And there you have it. That's your custom Telegram profile link ready for sharing. Don't worry if some steps take a moment, especially the part about picking a username. It's worth taking a little extra time to get that just right. If you run into any hiccups like the username already being taken, just try a slight variation, maybe add some numbers or a middle initial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to post any questions down below in the comments. I reply to as many as I can, and I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more practical, easy-to-follow guides just like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.